summer creatives. Oh, I just love doing them so much. I know that I'm completely different than most people when it comes to my editing, and the reason for that is because I just truly enjoy creating art as opposed to a photograph. This entire shoot here, I created, I styled it, I did the hair, I did the makeup. I did get Bailey Starkey, who is a local florist, to help me with the floral crown and the floral bouquet on top of the staff. The rest of it, though, was pretty much just me. And I do tend to like it like that because then I don't depend on anybody. I just do whatever I want to do. Rory is our model. I've known her since she was 6 years old, and she's just fun and bubbly and smart and really, really talented. So this was just a blast to do. I shot it about 5:30 at night, low back sun. I did use an Einstein Strobe to fill her in from the front, and the reason for that is because when I am shooting, I really don't want raccoon eyes. I love the look of filling in a little bit of light. We used a fog machine for some of the looks just because it gave a little bit more ethereal look to some of the images I wanted to create. We shot this at a local park and it was pretty empty. It was around dinner time, so we had it to ourselves. As you can see, I shoot with the Sony A7RIII, and for this shoot I used my 85 G Master 1.4 lens. I love Sony. I couldn't imagine going back to any other type of camera system. I'm addicted to the sharpness of all of the images. I might maybe get one soft image out of maybe 30 images, and after coming from Canon where that just didn't happen, I'm thrilled. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe. Visit chasinglightactions.com if you want to browse our store. Thanks, guys.